Understanding emotional intelligence. Have you ever worked with someone who's incredibly smart but still struggles to lead others, connect with others, or even just get along with others? Well, that's where emotional intelligence comes in. In business and in life, IQ might get you in the door, but EQ is what will help you thrive. Let's break it down in just a few minutes. Keep watching this video to be able to understand what emotional intelligence is and how to effectively use it both in work and in life to improve relationships and results. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence, or EQ as it's often known, isn't about how book smart you are. It's about your ability to be able to recognise, manage and influence emotions, both your own and in other people. Whilst IQ measures general intelligence, which is an inborn ability and ensures success in school, college, exams, etc., EQ measures emotional intelligence. Now, this can be learnt and improved on over time and ensures greater success both in the workplace and in your personal life. EQ is built on 5 key pillars: self-awareness, knowing your emotions and how they affect yourself and how your actions can impact others; self-regulation, managing your reactions and staying in control when under pressure; motivation, being driven by purpose rather than status or reward; empathy, understanding others' perspectives and emotions, putting yourself in their shoes; social skills, building trust, communicating well, and navigating social dynamics. How to boost your EQ in 6 easy practical steps. As we've said, you don't need to be born with a high EQ. This can be learnt and improved over time. Here are 6 ways that you can do that. You can practice self-reflection. Think back on situations that have happened. What went well? What could be improved? You can cultivate self-awareness. Understand how your actions and words impact others. Develop empathy. Put yourself in their shoes. Improve your communication skills. Are you communicating well with everybody? Manage conflict rather than avoid conflict. And keep continuously learning and improving. All these 6 things will help improve your EQ. Now let's have a look at some signs of a low EQ and what to watch out for. Low EQ shows up in subtle but very costly ways. It could be struggling to express feelings, missing social cues, having very impulsive behaviour, a lack of empathy for others, self-sabotaging when stressed, no self-awareness or accountability. And emotional intelligence isn't just a soft skill, it's a business asset. Whether you're leading a team, working with clients, or growing your career, your ability to manage your emotions and communicate effectively will set you apart from others. If you want to learn more, we've put together over 500 free resources to help you develop practical skills, not just in EQ, but also in leadership, communication, and many more subjects. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, why not drop us a like or leave us a comment, and feel free to subscribe to our channel.